So hello everyone, I'm gonna do my very first unboxing and I have purchased something. I follow and watch Mel in Melbourne quite often, and she went onto a website called Gilt, and I hadn't heard of them before, and I do a little bit of online shopping, and usually I shop at Satire and Essence and Farfetch, but this one was a new one and I thought I'd give it a go. She bought some sunglasses, and because I just bought a new car, my brother said to me, you know what, you need some black sunglasses to go with your black car. So I bought these, wow, 23rd of September of the 7th. That's not right. About 5 weeks ago. It arrived 1 week ago. Shipping is really slow, but let's open it and see what it's like. So I've got my trusty knife, and let's give this a go. Let's follow this on the line so I don't cut myself. Now, it's always exciting to receive something in the post which is not a bill, but I'll put this down so I don't cut myself anymore. But it's also a little bit nerve-wracking when you've bought something you haven't even tried on. So let's have a look at this. So that's how it's presented in the box. Some sunglasses. And there's what is this? This is a cleaning cloth. I'm not sure if you can see what brand it is, but I'll show you that. Dior. So I haven't had Dior sunglasses for such a long time. The last time I bought a pair of Dior would have been, the year 2000. And I remember paying $180 for those glasses. And I thought, whoa, that's so expensive. But now these retail for over $1,000. It's ridiculous. But on this website, I found them at $183 delivered, which is awesome. So inside the case, it actually says Christian Dior in there. There's also a card, authenticity card, and these glasses come wrapped in plastic as well. So let's have a look and see what they're like. They're pretty heavy. They're a little bit flimsy. That's the style number. And wrapped in more plastic. Let's see. Let me try and get these out without damaging them. The arms are a lot thinner than I thought they would be, but actually it looks like a metallic blue on the inside. I'm not sure if you can tell. Actually, on the outside as well, it looks like a two-tone black and blue. So let's have a look. What do you think? Definitely got a blue tinge to it when I look outside. There's no distortion of anything that I see, which is nice. And I've got these Prada sunglasses where when I look at glass, I can see all the structure of the glass. It's like a infrared type of vision that you have with these glasses, which is really, really strange and off-putting at the same time. But these are really comfortable around the ear. They're perfect weight. When I lean forward, they don't slide forward at all. I actually haven't had a look in the mirror yet, so let me have a look. So I've just had a look in the mirror, and I love the shape, I love the simplicity, and the quality is amazing. There's no doubt in my mind that they're authentic. It actually says Dior Home on the inside there. I'll put up the details in the description as well of the style number, but I love them. It's even got the CD logo on the nose pegs there. And yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Will I purchase from them again? Absolutely. They do clothing as well as sunglasses. They also do luxury watches. Yeah, I'm really happy about these sunglasses. I can't wait to wear them. Hopefully I don't damage them very quickly, and which is pretty much usually what happens. I remember when I got my last expensive sunglasses, which were some Saint Laurent sunglasses. I saw them when I was traveling around Japan and Korea, and I bought them at duty free in South Korea. And the first day when I wore them back at home, back in Melbourne, I went to Aldi for some grocery shopping, and I thought, I'm not spending 10 cents on a bag, and I bent over and my glasses fell out face down straight onto the concrete and scratched the lens. And I'm like, no way, I can't believe I spent $700 on these glasses and I didn't want to spend 10 cents on a bag. So I learnt my lesson. So I'm just going to pop these in the case there. That's how they look sitting in the case. And I'll just close it over. It's got a beautiful velvet line down the front too. Nice slim case to fit into the glove box in the car. Not the most practical to put into like a little clutch or anything like that, but definitely into a backpack or into a messenger bag. It will fit perfectly. Nice hard case as well, so it won't damage the glasses. Excuse me, I feel like I'm gonna burp. So the glass case is really good. It's nice and hard, won't damage the glasses at all. Easy to open, easy to close. Glasses are well protected inside. I'll put that cleaning cloth in there as well. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these this summer.